Picture a barren desert, a swampy plain, or a rugged frontier. Nothing but dust and dreams. Now imagine entire cities rising from that emptiness, with skyscrapers touching the clouds, highways stretching to the horizon, and millions calling it home. This isn't magic. It's the raw power of machines. From Dubai to Brasilia, these mechanical titans turned impossible visions into reality, building megacities from scratch. Today, we're counting down 10 machines that reshaped the world, creating urban wonders that house millions and inspire awe. Let's dive into the steel heart of city building. Welcome to Titan Machines TV, where we uncover the engineering marvels that shape our world. Cities don't just appear. They're forged by machines of unimaginable scale and precision. These 10 machines didn't just build roads or towers. They crafted entire urban ecosystems, turning wastelands into thriving metropolises. For each, we'll explore what it built, where, its jaw-dropping specs, and the unique engineering challenge it overcame to make the city possible. From time-saving tech to human impact, this is the story of how machines built the cities we know today. Let's get started. Number 1. Caterpillar D10T2 Bulldozer, Brasilia's planned city. We begin in Brasilia, Brazil, where the Caterpillar D10T2 bulldozer helped carve a capital city from a remote savanna in the late 1950s. What it built? The D10T2 leveled land for Brasilia's iconic planned layout: roads, government buildings, and residential sectors, designed by architect Oscar Niemeyer. Location: Brasilia, Brazil. A city built from scratch to become the nation's capital, was relocated from Rio de Janeiro to unify the country. Machine specs and functions. This bulldozer weighs 154,700 pounds, or 70 tons, and delivers 671 horsepower with 2,500 pound-feet of torque. Its massive steel blade, capable of pushing 75 cubic yards per pass, graded vast expanses of uneven terrain. Equipped with GPS-guided systems in modern versions, it ensured precision for Brasilia's geometric urban plan. Engineering challenge: overcome. The savanna's uneven terrain and dense vegetation posed a massive hurdle, requiring rapid clearing of thousands of acres. The D10T2's brute force and precision grading leveled the land in just 4 years, 1956-1960, enabling Brasilia to house 2,500,000 people by 2025. Its speed slashed decades off manual methods, creating a UNESCO World Heritage Site that unified Brazil's identity. Number 2. XCMG XGC-8000 Crawler Crane, Dubai's Burj Khalifa. In Dubai, United Arab Emirates, the XCMG XGC-8000 crawler crane helped erect the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa. What it built? The crane lifted steel and concrete for the Burj Khalifa, a skyscraper soaring 829.8 meters, anchoring Dubai's transformation into a global metropolis. Location: Dubai, United Arab Emirates, a city that rose from a desert trading post to a hub of luxury and innovation. Machine specs and functions. Weighing 5,400 tons, this crane generates 3,200 horsepower and lifts up to 4,000 tons. Its modular design and massive counterweights allow it to hoist entire building sections, with a boom extending hundreds of feet. Precision hydraulics ensured safe placement of the Burj's spire. Engineering challenge. Overcome. Building the world's tallest structure in a desert with extreme heat and shifting sands demanded unmatched stability and lifting power. The XGC-8000's ability to hoist massive loads with precision completed the Burj in 6 years, 2004-2010, housing thousands and attracting millions of tourists. It turned Dubai into a global economic powerhouse, with the Burj as a symbol of ambition. Number 3. Shanghai Tunnel Engineering. COPERIS, TBM, Shanghai's metro system. In Shanghai, China, custom tunnel boring machines from Shanghai Tunnel Engineering Co. built one of the world's largest metro systems. What it built? These TBMs carved subway tunnels for Shanghai's metro, now spanning over 800 kilometers, serving millions daily. Location: Shanghai, China, a megacity transformed from a port town into a global financial hub. Machine specs and functions. Weighing approximately 2,000 tons, these TBMs feature a 15-meter diameter cutter head powered by 10,000 horsepower. They excavate soil and rock at rates of 10 meters per day, with automated systems for precision tunneling under dense urban areas. Engineering challenge. Overcome. Tunneling beneath Shanghai's crowded streets without disrupting surface life required pinpoint accuracy. The TBM's advanced navigation systems ensured stable excavation, completing the metro's expansion from 1993 to 2020. This network now moves 9 million passengers daily, connecting communities and fueling Shanghai's economic boom. Number 4. Liebherr LR 13000. Crawler crane. Mecca's Abraj Al Bayt. In Mecca, Saudi Arabia, the Liebherr LR 13000 crawler crane built the Abraj Al Bayt, a government complex that redefined the holy city's skyline. What it built? The crane constructed the Abraj Al Bayt Towers, a series of 7 skyscrapers housing hotels, malls, and residential spaces for pilgrims. Location: Mecca, Saudi Arabia, a spiritual center transformed into a modern urban hub. Machine specs and functions. This crane weighs 1,650 tons and delivers 2,000 horsepower. It lifts up to 3,000 tons with a 472-foot boom for high-altitude construction. Its stability on uneven desert terrain made it ideal for Mecca's rocky landscape. Engineering challenge. Overcome. Building modern skyscrapers near sacred sites required minimal disruption and maximum precision. The LR 13000's long-reach boom allowed construction without disturbing pilgrims, completing the project in 7 years, 2004 to 2011. It now accommodates over 15 million visitors annually, blending spirituality with modern infrastructure. Number 5. Komatsu D575A-3 Superdozer, Tokyo's Haneda Airport expansion. In Tokyo, Japan, the Komatsu D575A-3 Superdozer expanded Haneda Airport, turning Tokyo Bay into a global aviation hub. What it built? The dozer reclaimed land for Haneda Airport's new runways and terminals, expanding capacity for international flights. Location: Tokyo, Japan, a megacity balancing tradition and cutting-edge infrastructure. Machine specs and functions. Weighing 336,000 pounds, or 153 tons, this dozer delivers 1,150 horsepower and moves 125 cubic yards per pass. Its remote control capabilities allowed safe operation in unstable bay areas. Engineering challenge. Overcome reclaiming land from Tokyo. Bay's soft, waterlogged soil demanded massive earth-moving capacity. The D575A-3's powerful blade and remote operation enabled rapid reclamation from 2010 to 2020, expanding Haneda to handle 80 million passengers annually by 2025, connecting Tokyo to the world. Number 6. P&H 4100 XPC Electric Mining Shovel, Moscow's Skolkovo Innovation Center. In Moscow, Russia, the P&H 4100 XPC electric mining shovel laid the groundwork for the Skolkovo Innovation Center, Russia's Silicon Valley. What it built? This shovel cleared and leveled land for Skolkovo's tech campuses, roads, and facilities. Location: Moscow, Russia, a city expanding its tech and innovation footprint. Machine specs and functions. Weighing 3 million pounds, or 1,360 tons, this electric shovel produces 3,500 horsepower. Its 82 cubic yard dipper removes massive earth volumes, with electric power reducing emissions on urban sites. Engineering challenge. Overcome. Clearing Moscow's rural outskirts for a high-tech hub required rapid, eco-friendly earth-moving. The 4100 XPC's electric efficiency cleared thousands of acres from 2010 to 2015, creating a hub for startups and universities by 2025, attracting global talent and fostering innovation. Number 7. Sony SY870H Excavator, Mumbai's Coastal Road. In Mumbai, India, the Sony SY870H excavator built the Mumbai Coastal Road, easing the city's notorious traffic. What it built. The excavator dug foundations for a 10.6-kilometer coastal highway, including tunnels and reclaimed land sections. Location: Mumbai, India, a megacity of over 20 million, facing intense urban congestion. Machine specs and functions. Weighing 190,000 pounds, or 86 tons, this excavator delivers 530 horsepower and a 6 cubic yard bucket. Its intelligent power control optimizes digging in dense urban environments. Engineering challenge. Overcome. Constructing a highway along Mumbai's crowded coast required precise excavation amidst urban chaos. The SY-870H's advanced controls dug foundations without disrupting city life, completing phases by 2024. The road cut commute times by up to 70%, improving mobility for millions. Number 8. Hyundai Develin DX1000 LC7 Excavator, Seoul's Lotte World Tower. In Seoul, South Korea, the Hyundai Develin DX1000 LC7 Excavator helped build the Lotte World Tower, Korea's tallest skyscraper. What it built. The excavator dug deep foundations for the 555-meter tower, a mixed-use building with offices, hotels, and residences. Location: Seoul, South Korea, a tech-driven megacity. Machine specs and functions. Weighing 220,000 pounds, or 100 tons, this excavator delivers 630 horsepower and a 7.5 cubic yard bucket. Its 360-degree cameras ensure precision in tight urban spaces. Engineering challenge. Overcome. Digging deep foundations in Seoul's dense urban core required accuracy to avoid nearby structures. The DX1000 LC7's advanced monitoring completed the foundation in months, enabling the tower's completion in 2017. It now houses thousands, elevating Seoul's global architectural status. Number 9. Caterpillar 797F Dump Truck, Perth's Elizabeth Quay. In Perth, Australia, the Caterpillar 797F dump truck built Elizabeth Quay, a waterfront precinct that revitalized the city. What it built? The truck transported materials for land reclamation and infrastructure for Elizabeth Quay's public spaces, hotels, and residences. Location: Perth, Australia, a coastal city expanding its urban core. Machine specs and functions. Weighing 623,000 pounds, or 282 tons, this truck delivers 4,000 horsepower and carries 400 tons per load. Its massive tires handle rugged terrain with ease. Engineering challenge. Overcome. Reclaiming land from Perth's industrial riverfront required moving massive material volumes. The 797F's hauling capacity sped up reclamation, completing Elizabeth Quay in 2016. It transformed Perth's core into a cultural hub for 1 million residents. Number 10. Volvo EC950F Excavator, Lagos's Eco Atlantic City. In Lagos, Nigeria, the Volvo EC950F Excavator built Eco Atlantic City, a new urban island rising from the sea. What it built. The excavator reclaimed land for Eco Atlantic, a planned city with skyscrapers, roads, and marinas, designed to ease Lagos's overcrowding. Location: Lagos, Nigeria, Africa's largest megacity with over 20 million people. Machine specs and functions. Weighing 210,000 pounds, or 95 tons, this excavator delivers 606 horsepower and a 7 cubic yard bucket. Its retractable undercarriage excels in coastal reclamation. Engineering challenge. Overcome. Reclaiming land from the Atlantic Ocean's eroding coast demanded resilience against tides and storms. The EC950F's robust design reclaimed 10 square kilometers by 2025, set to house 250,000 people, easing Lagos's population pressure and fueling economic growth. From Brazilia's savanna to Lagos's oceanfront, these 10 machines overcame impossible challenges to build cities from nothing, housing millions and shaping the future. Their scale, precision, and power turned barren lands into urban marvels, proving human ingenuity knows no bounds. Which machine's story blew you away? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to your channel name for more epic tales of engineering triumph. Let's keep exploring the machines that build our world.